Alright, so with this plot you can very clearly see that all the passenger class and the sex are combined in only single plot. But let's say if you want to make a different plot for each of these passenger class, then how would you do that? So the first of all, I'm gonna copy this. You know how you can copy a complete cell. You need to press escape button in your keyboard, and then you need to press there a C key in your keyboard, and then finally you need to select another cell, and then finally you can press there, or you can just the push V key in your keyboard. Then you will see here a new, this copied cell has been pasted in this new cell. Alright, so as you see, all the plots are plotted in the same plot. And if you want to plot it into a various plot, then instead of this hue, you can set here a column. Okay, so that's the col, C-O-L. And with this col, now you can distribute these plots in the subplots. So this column makes sure that it will plot a single plot for each of those columns, I mean each of those classes in the passenger class. So we have a P class 1, 2 and 3. And with this now it's very clear that if passenger class is 1 and sex is female, then the survival rate is pretty much high. And if passenger class is 3 and sex is male, then the survival rate is less than 20% for that passenger. And in the same way, you can also plot these plot in the row as well. You can put there a row. So with this row, you can see all those plots have been plotted in the row. Although this doesn't look good, so I don't think that you want these plots in the form of row. Anyway, so this is the one way you can plot it either in column or in the form of row. Alright, so let's go ahead and paste it again. And apart from that, you see we have here survived, and then here we have a sex. So survived against the sex, and the columns is being plotted against this passenger class. But let's say if you want to plot it against this sex and you want to make this passenger class as a x-axis, then how would you do that? It's really very simple. You need to just put it here P class, and then you need to put it here sex. And now you see we have only the two sex, male and the female. So there will be just two column, and we have a 3 passenger class. That's mean there will be a 3 bar in each of these plots. So we have here passenger class 1, 2 and the 3, and here. So with this, a female plot is combined in one plot, and the male plot is combined into the another plot together. And if you make a cumulative plot here with this, and you can see it very clearly that the survival rate for these females and for any of these passenger classes is really very high. Alright, so this is all about in this lesson. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, I'll show you how you can do a point plot. I'll see you in next lesson.